In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a missing executable file on Steam. If you've encountered this issue, stay tuned as I'll guide you through the process to resolve it in just a few minutes. First, let's open your Steam app. Go ahead and launch it on your desktop. Once that's done, you'll find yourself on the Steam login screen. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to click on the login button. Have your credentials ready, as in the next step you'll be entering your account name and password. Make sure you type them in correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your details, click on Sign In. This will take you directly to your Steam homepage. Now that you're signed in, locate the Library tab at the top of the window and click it. Here you'll see a list of your installed games. The next step is to find the game that's having issues. Once you've located it, right-click on its name. A menu will pop up with several options. You need to click on Properties. In the Properties window, navigate over to the Installed Files tab. This is where you can manage the game's files. What we'll do next is verify the integrity of the game files. Basically, this means that Steam will check if any files are missing or corrupted and will attempt to fix them. So, go ahead and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process might take a few minutes, so be patient while Steam does its thing. After the verification process is complete, it's time to move into your File Explorer. Open up a new window and go to This PC. From here, locate your Windows C drive, which is typically where most programs are installed. Once you've opened your C drive, find the Program Files x86 folder. Open it and then look for the Steam folder. Inside the Steam folder, there's a subfolder called App Cache. Once you're in the App Cache directory, you're going to delete everything present there. Don't worry, as deleting these files is safe. They're temporary files that Steam uses, and they will be recreated when necessary. By clearing out this cache, you can often resolve file-related issues quickly and efficiently. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should no longer see that frustrating missing executable file error on Steam. Remember, keeping your system and games up to date is essential. If you find yourself with lingering issues, don't hesitate to contact Steam support for more personalized help. Thanks so much for watching, and best of luck with your gaming.